If you drive an automatic and you do any of these 5 things, you're slowly destroying your transmission and you won't even see it coming. And when it finally hits, that repair bill could cost you over $3,000. I'm Jack Turner from FixMyRide. I've been under the hood for over a decade. And today, I'm showing you the 5 deadliest mistakes automatic car drivers make. Stick around, most drivers get number 2 totally wrong. 1. Shifting gears while still moving. Let's kick things off with a killer mistake I see all the time. Shifting from drive to reverse or park while the car is still moving. You might be in a rush, but your transmission isn't. This puts massive strain on the parking pole, a tiny metal piece that holds your car in place. Snap it and you're looking at major repairs, and if you hear grinding when you shift, that's your car literally screaming for help. Always come to a full stop, shift slow, drive smart. 2. Driving with 2 feet. This one's dangerous and surprisingly common. Using your left foot on the brake while your right foot's on the gas might sound like more control, but it leads to confusion during panic stops. Plus, you're riding the brake, which wears down pads, overheats the system, and could even lead to brake failure. 1 foot only, folks. Unless you're racing for NASCAR, keep your left foot off the pedals. 3. Revving a cold engine. Imagine waking up and immediately sprinting a mile without stretching. That's what you're doing when you rev a cold engine. Cold oil doesn't flow well, it can't protect the pistons, rings, and bearings properly. Rev too soon and you're grinding metal on metal before the engine's ready. Just let it idle for a minute or 2. Warm up your ride, your wallet will thank you later. 4. Driving through deep water. Think driving through that flooded street is no big deal. Think again. Automatic transmissions have vents, and when water gets in, it mixes with fluid, turns to sludge, and destroys everything inside. This isn't a maybe. If water gets in, you'll likely need a full transmission replacement. And trust me, it ain't cheap. If your car's not built for it, avoid deep water like it's lava. 5. Ignoring dashboard warning lights. Over 60% of drivers ignore their dashboard lights until it's too late. That little light, it's your car's way of begging for attention. Ignore it and you could end up stranded, or worse, doing thousands in damage. Red light equals emergency, yellow light equals warning. Don't wait till your car coughs, sputters, and dies. Get it checked early. Save big. Those were 5 things you should never do in an automatic transmission car, and if you've been doing any of them, now's the time to stop before it costs you big. Let me know in the comments which mistake surprised you the most, or if there's one you've seen others do all the time. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FixMyRide for real-world car advice that saves you money and keeps you safe. But here's the thing, if your check engine light is on right now, don't go to a mechanic just yet. Watch this video next gives check engine light on. Do this before you go to a mechanic. I'll show you the quick $0 fix that could solve the problem before you waste a dime. Tap the video on screen now. See you there.